Hello, dear student. Welcome back. You are here with me, and today's topic is deep water. As everyone is aware that this will be our second lecture over the same theme, the fear of water. Here, William Douglas is representing himself and representing his fear of water. And he said that when he was a child of 3 to 4 years, he was accompanied by one day. Once he was accompanied with his father to California, a beach in California, where a huge and a big wave knocked him down, and he was so much frightened, and that frightenedness stayed with him for the age of 10 and 11 years, when he finally took the decisions to learn to swim. He founded a pool, YMCA pool, which offered the opportunity, exactly the opportunity to learn to swim. He bought a new water wings and then went to the pool. When he reached there, his old unpleasant memories returned. Anyhow, he managed these childish memories, the childish terror that he had in his childhood. He get into the water, he gathered his confidence, he get into the water, and he tried to app those boys who were there. And he was just feeling ease into the water when misadventure happened. What was that misadventure? One day when he was alone at the pool, and no one was there, the water was so still and calm, and he was waiting for someone to come. In the meantime, a bruiser boy come and pick him into the air and throw into the pool. He was so much frightened. Has gulped the water. He choked. He was unable to take breath. No sound was coming out of his throat. But he was not frightened out of his wit. So he made a strategy that as soon as I will touch at the bottom of the pool, I will make a big jump and I will come up. But before touching the bottom of the pool, his lungs were ready to burst, as he had thought that he would come up like a cork on the surface of the water. Instead, you see, he comes slowly. So here, these 9 feet seems to 90, more than 90. And as he touched the bottom of the pool, he gathered his confidence and gathered his energy and made it a big jump. But coming up swiftly, instead, he came slowly. He grew panicking. When he opened his eyes, there was yellow water all around him. He reached as if he wanted to grab a rope, and but his hand grabbed only water. His eyes were almost come out, and his nose also was out, but his mouth couldn't come out of the water. And afterward, what happened then? We will start from here. I fell at the surface of the water. I was, using my hand, पटक रहा था जैसे water, and swelled water, gulping the water. But no sound was coming out of the throat. I was trying to bring up my legs, which seems weightless, paralyzed, and freezed and rigid because of the fear. It refused to move, and a great force was pulling me down. Great force was pulling me down. नीचे की ओर कोई खींच रहा था, and I screamed under the water. I was the crying, but only water could hear me at that time. And I had started on the long journey back to the bottom of the pool, and nothing else. फिर से नीचे bottom की ओर नीचे खिसक गया. I struck as the water. As I bent down, when I was going down, I'm fighting, and I was using my hand and legs. I was fighting with the water, same way as we expend our energy with some nightmares fight on or an irresistible force. I was using my energy and my force, same as we usually use in the dream, especially those who scared us, जो हमें डराने की कोशिश करते हैं, those evil power हमें try करते हैं डराने की. In फिर हम अपनी जो फोर्स यूज कर रहे होते हैं, अपनी ताकत दिखाते हैं अपने आप को सेव करने की। द सेम वे आई वाज एक्सपेंडिंग माई, आई वाज ट्रैकिंग विद द वाटर, फाइट कर रही थी। आई हैड लॉस्ट ऑल माई ब्रेथ्स, ब्रीथ चली गई थी, एंड माई लंग वॉज एकिंग एंड माई हेड वॉज थ्रॉबिंग एंड आई वॉज गेटिंग डीजी, सिर चकरा रहा था, तक तक हो रहा था। बट आई रिमेंबर द स्ट्रेटेजी दैट आई हैड मेड, आई वुड स्प्रिंग अप फ्रॉम द बॉटम ऑफ द पूल, कि मैं जंप मारूंगा वहां से, आई स्प्रिंग अप, ऊपर की ओर जंप मारूंगा, एंड then I would be at the surface of the water and I would flat on the water, strike out with my arms and thrash with my legs. Then I will be at the edge of the pool and be safe. But what happened with him? He bent down endlessly down to the bottom of that pool. When he opened his eyes, there was nothing to see. There was water all around, yellow water and dark water that one cannot see through. Afterward, the sheer terror has seized me. Terror has seized me so much. The star came is completely, terror has taken in its grip, पूरी grip में ले लिया। मैं the terror, it was the terror that had no understanding. It was the terror that knows no control, and it was the terror that can no understanding, who has not experience. एक ऐसा टेरर था ना जिसने इसको समझा नहीं, जिसने इसको अनुभव नहीं किया है, वो इसके बारे में कोई समझ नहीं रखता है, ना कोई जान सकता है, ना कोई एक तरह का कंट्रोल कर सकता है, या इन चीज़ों को वो समझ ही नहीं सकता। इट वॉज अ काइंड ऑफ टेरर विच नोज नो अंडरस्टैंडिंग, जो इसकी कोई समझ नहीं जानता है, no control and no understanding, especially those who has not experienced. And I was shaking under the water. I was contracting, you see, मैं सिकुड़ गया था, and I was paralyzing under the water, stiff, freeze, because of frightness, because of the fear. I was paralyzed. I was feeling limbless. I was feeling so hard and rigid, and even the scream in my screaming जो निकल रही थी, अभी तक आवाज़ जो निकल रही थी, that was likely to freezing, ये भी फ्रोज गई, जम गई थी। Only my heart and my head was telling me that yes, I'm still alive, कि अभी भी मैं जिंदा हूँ। It was only reminding me and it was telling me only my heart की जो बीट थी, and the pounding in my duck in my head में जो आवाज़ आ रही थी। And then in the midst of the terror come a touch of reason. इन द मिड्स ऑफ टेरर, उस टेरर के बीच में एक कहीं ना कहीं तर्क का स्पर्श होता है कि आई मस्ट रिमेंबर द स्ट्रैटेजी दैट आई हैड मेड, दैट आई एज सून एज आई विल टच द टाइल, एज सून एज आई विल फील द टाइल अंडर माई फीट, आई विल मेक ए बिग जंप। बट द सेम आई हैड डन, सॉरी, मैंने वही किया था। But this time also, that jump made no difference. Water was all around me. I looked for ropes. I was looking for rope. I was looking for ladders. I was looking for some help and looking for the water wings, but nothing happened. There was a yellow water all around me, and I can't see through that. And the stark terror took me even deeper hold on me. जो टेरर था ना, उसने और ज़्यादा गहराई से मेरे ऊपर एक पकड़ बना दी। एंड इट वॉज लाइक ए ग्रेट चार्ज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, लाइक ए इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक। आई shook and trembled with fright because the frightness I was scaring so much. And after that my arms wouldn't move, बाजू ही नहीं मूव कर रही थी, legs also refused to move on. And I tried to call for help. I was trying to call for mothers को try कर रहा था कि कोई help के लिए आए, but no one comes there to help me. And then strangely there was a light. I was coming out of the awful yellow lights. उस yellow light में से बाहर आ रहा था, and at least my eyes were, कम से कम मेरी आंखें तो बाहर थी, and a nose was almost out too. Nose भी लगभग बाहर ही था. And then I started down a third time. Also I made again the long journey back to the bottom. I sucked for air, but instead of the air, I took and I gulped the water. Actually not gulp here, I took the water through nose. The yellowish light was gone. And then all effort ceased. फिर सारे जो प्रयास थे खत्म हो गए. I relaxed, मैं शिथिल पड़ गया. Even my legs felt limp. Till then my legs also was feeling limbless, that it has no life. and a blackness was swept over my mind. The blackness, the kind of inactivity has swept over my mind, and it seems that it has wiped out my fear. It left after sweeping the blackness on my mind, my brain, it wiped out my fear. It wiped out my the terror, and now there were no need to panic. नो मोर पैनिक, मतलब वहाँ किसी तरह की पैनिक करने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी. एंड इट वॉज क्वाइट एंड पीसफुल नाउ, एंड nothing to be afraid. There was nothing that I should have afraid of, and to be drowsy, to go to sleep, and no need to jump and too tired of jump. And so डरने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, बस सोने को मानो जैसे जाना है. ड्राउजी फील कर रहा है, अब जंप करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज ही वॉज सो मच टायर्ड ऑफ डूइंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स. एंड it's nice to carry it gently to to the float along in space में, मतलब float करना या तैरना जैसे मानो अच्छा सा लग रहा है. And tender arms around me, like mother's tender arms around me. This is the feeling I was feeling at that time. And now I must go to sleep. I was thinking that it's good to have sleep now. And then I crossed to oblivion here. I crossed to oblivion here means, and after that I was gone that extent in my thinking that the curtain of my life is likely to fall hone wala hai. My life is going to my life, and I'm dying. That time I was thinking so. And next I remember that I was the side of the pool where I was vomiting. And the boy who has threw me, the chap that who has threw me into the water was saying that I was just making fun. I was joking. And the people were saying there that the kid was almost died. But anyhow, he is safe. वो safe था. And they carried me to the locker in the changing room. And afterward, several hours later, I walked toward the house, and I was feeling so tired. I was feeling so, weak, and I was traveling. I choked and cried when I was lying at my bed at night. And at the night time, and that night also, I couldn't eat my meal even. And for days, a haunting fear was in my heart. For some days, the fear has haunted me continuously. It stayed in my heart, and the slightest exertion, if I did the slightest things, it upsets me. Okay, and it make me wobbly in the knees. The wobbly in the knees here means the knee stop working, and it refuse to work on. It becomes unformed and unstable, and even my stomach, it feels to vomit. मानो ये vomit करना चाहता हूँ. Afterward I totally refuse, so totally ignore the water. I never went back to that pool, and because there were many chances afterward also, wherever I go, but same thing happened with me. So here, I never went back to the pool. I avoided whenever and wherever I avoided this. And a few years later, I went back. Some few years later, I come to know about I got to know about the water of the cascades. I also wanted to get into them, and whenever I did, the same thing happened. Whether I was wading the Titans, or whether I tried it in the pumping river, or in bathing in warm lake of the hot rocks. Whenever I did that, the old terror that has gripped me in the pool returned. It would take possession of me completely, entirely. It has taken in its grip. My legs would become paralyzed. It refused to walk on. It feels limbless whenever I try to get into the water. I see horror would grab my heart. कब कभी पैदा करने वाला जो डर है ना वो मेरे हृदय को पकड़ लेता था. This handicapped and this abstraction stayed with me for many years to come. In canoes on mains, lake fishing for landlocked salmons, bass fishing in New Hampshire, the trout fishing, the bumping lake in the Cascades, wherever I went, the haunting fear of the water followed me everywhere. ये जो fear था everywhere, wherever I used to go in that fishing in New Hampshire, trout fishing on the Deschutes and Metolius in Oregon, fishing for salmon on the Columbia as well. Wherever I go, जहाँ कहीं भी मैं जाता हूँ, wherever I fancies to get into that water, that fear haunted me and followed me there. It ruins my fishing trips. It has ruined my fishing trips and deprived me of the joy of canoeing, boating, and finishing. These things not only do that, they killed and ruined and destroyed my joy of canoeing, swimming, boating as well. And so I used every way to get out of this fear of water. But whatever the tricks and whatever the way I could use, all was futile. So finally, William Douglas has to take a big action. And what was that? We will learn in the next lectures.